Welcome everybody and cheers to Kombucha. In this video I'll be using this Kombucha starter kit to make 1 gallon of Kombucha. We'll be using organic sugar, some black tea, this SCOBY, this tea bag right here, and this little aerator filter for the fermentating. So let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is take your thermometer and place it on the side of your jar. Step 1. In a medium-sized pot, bring 4 cups of filtered water to a boil. Prepare your tea in your tea bag in the meantime. Next, you're going to turn off your stovetop and steep your tea. Make sure you use the appropriate safety equipment to make sure you don't burn yourself. You will want to steep your tea for between 5 and 7 minutes in total. Apparently, from what I've read online, you can reuse the tea between 3 to 15 times. Just make sure between uses you dry it out appropriately for storage. You will want to rinse and clean this cloth tea bag thoroughly with heat and inside out and outside in. This is when you add your sugar. I forgot to do it on camera. Make sure that after you put in your sugar that it dissolves. Mine didn't dissolve completely after the first time. Next, you're going to take 8 cups of water and add it to your sweet tea mixture. Next, you're going to add your SCOBY and starter liquid and give it a nice little mix around. It doesn't matter if it sits on the top or not. You'll be good. Next, you'll take your cotton cloth and rubber band and put it over the top of your mixture. One thing I will say is this had a number of particulates that fell off of it when I first unraveled it. So this is something you might want to do so you don't have unneeded things in your brew. Last but not least, take your cotton cloth and rubber band and fix it to the top of your gallon kombucha brewing jar. After that, make sure you have it between 68 and 86 degrees and in ventilated airspace without direct sunlight. If you're wondering how the temperature gauge works, it gives you a color-coded system which has green where it is at and blue where it's kind of headed. It's given you a basic range, so make sure it is no higher than 86 degrees and wait your time to enjoy your brew. If your kombucha's temperature was too hot like mine, you might want to add a half cup of water to cool it down. So once you've done all that, you leave it sitting for about 7 to 9 days and you can check it. If you want to have it a little bit less sweet and more bitter, you'll want to have it ferment for longer. And from there, you are good to go to your bottling stage, which will be a separate video when I get there because I gotta wait for my stuff to brew. So thanks for checking out this video. If you thought it was good, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Kombucha.